Hey there, science enthusiasts and curious minds. Before we dive into today's fascinating topic, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us continue bringing you amazing content like this. Now, let's embark on a journey to uncover the truth about our planet's shape. For centuries, humans have debated the shape of the Earth. While some still cling to the notion of a flat Earth, the evidence overwhelmingly supports the fact that our planet is, indeed, a sphere. Today, we're going to explore the compelling proof that demonstrates why the Earth is round and not flat. Let's start with one of the oldest and simplest observations: ships disappearing over the horizon. If you've ever watched a ship sail away, you'll notice that it doesn't just shrink into the distance. Instead, it appears to sink below the horizon, with the hull disappearing first, followed by the sails. This phenomenon can only be explained by the curvature of the Earth. Next, consider the shape of Earth's shadow during a lunar eclipse. As the Earth passes between the Sun and the Moon, it casts a shadow on the Moon's surface. This shadow is always circular, regardless of the Earth's orientation. The only three-dimensional shape that always casts a circular shadow is a sphere. Time zones provide another piece of evidence. If the Earth were flat, the Sun would illuminate the entire surface simultaneously. However, we experience different times of day across the globe because the Earth rotates as a sphere, with some areas facing the Sun while others are in darkness. The existence of gravity as we know it also supports a spherical Earth. Gravity pulls objects towards the center of mass, which for a sphere is its core. This explains why we don't fall off the Earth and why water in the oceans doesn't spill off the edges. Modern technology has given us even more definitive proof. Satellite imagery and space exploration have provided us with countless photographs and videos of our spherical planet from space. These images, captured from various angles and distances, consistently show Earth as a beautiful blue marble floating in the vastness of space. The Foucault pendulum, named after the French physicist Léon Foucault, offers another fascinating demonstration of Earth's rotation. As the pendulum swings, it appears to change its plane of oscillation over time. This change is actually due to the Earth rotating beneath it, an effect that would not occur on a flat, stationary Earth. Let's not forget the brilliant experiment conducted by Eratosthenes in ancient Greece. By measuring the angle of shadows in two different locations at the same time, he not only proved the Earth was round, but also calculated its circumference with remarkable accuracy for his time. Lastly, consider the fact that you can circumnavigate the globe by traveling continuously in one direction. Numerous expeditions, flights, and even satellite orbits have demonstrated this fact, which would be impossible on a flat Earth. As we wrap up this journey through the evidence, it's clear that the Earth is undeniably a sphere. From ancient observations to cutting-edge technology, every piece of evidence points to this conclusion. Understanding our planet's true shape is crucial for navigation, climate science, and our overall comprehension of the universe we inhabit. Before you go, we'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic. Drop a comment below and let us know what other scientific mysteries you'd like us to explore. And remember, if you enjoyed this video and want more mind-blowing science content, please hit that subscribe button. We are incredibly grateful for your support, and it helps us continue creating videos that celebrate the wonders of our world. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep looking up at the stars.